Today I'm going to be cleaning this back garden bed up. I think I'm going to pull out all these weeds and remulch. Maybe get a couple new flowers. I'm going to clean up this dividing section between my neighbor's way more established garden and just try to make it look better. It was still raining, so it wasn't until a bit later that we were able to continue, and when we got back to it, I focused on weeding while Josh raked the dead grass between the two gardens. If you're curious, the two plants up front are both sunflowers that survived. We initially planted like 6 sunflowers, but these are the only 2 that are remaining from the ones they planted. Man, did it feel like it took forever to actually make a dent, and I was extremely uncomfortable the entire time that I was weeding this garden. It hurt to have my knees bent for so long, and I wasn't really able to sit or get firm footing in all this mud. Thankfully, Josh eventually rescued me from eternal weed pulling, and we were able to plant the new flowers we purchased.
Pull that one back up and then.
Yes, it's in there. One more.
Okay.
There's already a much larger and much more well-established garden running along the property, and the flowers bloom at different times of the day and even different seasons.
There's like a bird in the birdhouse.
Here lies the remaining daisies that survived me mistakenly ripping them out as weeds.